How you doing? I'm Steve. This is my RV, travel trailer, and we're replacing the skylight. What we have right down here is we have our old skylight. As you can see, it got hail damage. We had a storm a couple days ago, about a week ago maybe, and that's from hail. It also had a fan, and that's where it goes, right there. So I've taken the old fan off, and cleaned all the sides up, got it all ready to go, and we've got a new fan here, new skylight. Since we had to get a skylight, I figured we might as well upgrade the fan also. So we've got this beautiful fan here. It's 3 speeds. It reverses, so you can have the airflow going in or out, whatever you choose. And we're gonna put it right there in the hole. We've already got the butyl tape on there all the way around. And we're going to go ahead and set that down, and then we're going to screw it in, and then we are going to lap sealant. We'll use some lap sealant on everything here, made by Dicor, and the roof part will be done. Then we'll go inside and we'll do the collar and hook up the electric and make sure it all works. Stay tuned. All right, we're back and we're done. So what we have here is we have our skylight installed. We've got the butyl tape underneath there. We screwed it down, 16 screws, and then we hit it with lap sealant. So that's what it looks like from the outside. So that's pretty nice. We'll go look at the inside now, and job's done. All right. Here we are. So this is the inside. You can see I already have the inside ring mounted. And we can take this off. There's the skylight right there. So all you do is come in here, hit the power button. Actually, we gotta make sure it's up. So we'll go ahead and raise this up. And we'll hit the power button. And we are exhausting out, and this has 6 speeds, and it's reversible. And we're on 3 right now. We'll go to 6. That's gonna move a lot of air. It's gonna move a heck of a lot of air. Well, we don't want to run the air conditioner. Very gentle on the speed switching. And then if we want to reverse, well, we can see the little lights flash. There's a little light that's flashing there saying that we're reversing. It then reverses. The light goes on steady. There's your controls, speeds 1 through 6, on and off, and reverse. And we crank that sucker in, put it up to 6, and we'll be sucking air in. And so we have air coming down in here too. So either way, you're going to get the moisture out of the room. Now, from what I read in the owner's manual, it should go back on to where it was left off. So you set it at what you want it at, and the next time you turn it on, it'll go on to that. So we were on 6, and it was pushing in. So let's see what happens when I turn it back on. And it goes to 6 and pushing in. So we're gonna go back we're gonna go make it go back out because I like the exhaust. And there we go. Let's see that. That's maximum open. All right, so there we go. We now have, I wanted to put a big new fan in there because the old one was crap. It was small. It wasn't moving much air. This moves lots of air. So I'm going to go ahead and shut it off. Actually, I'm going to put it on 1. I'm queuing it up. There we go. All right. And then we'll go ahead and close it. We're not this had to be done. It's Thursday. It had to be done by Saturday because it was going to rain. So there we go. Got a new faucet. We're putting a new faucet in there, in the shower, as we get our camper ready to take to Southern Illinois and park it for a full year at a campground. It's gonna be great. Can't wait. And there we go. So that was the skylight. Hail made it necessary to swap it out, and we swapped it out with what we wanted to make the camper better. And peace out.